Why do I have two zippers? I'm on the counter now. Now I'm covering his spirit.
Spying on you. I'm spying
Oh, found
on
it.
you.
Yeah, I found what you're looking for. Dad, I found what we were looking for.
Well, now y'all being recorded, y'all ain't doing nothing. I could have just watched this bird while we get his face on something.
Look under the wall.
Can you find
You should have seen the tortoise in the outfit.
This is adorable. You can see the little monkey in his home.
What you want for dinner tonight?
How about some chicken? Yes, do more of the fun. Do more of the conversation. Do more of the fun. More views. More views. The birds lose their crap. Yeah, that's a good title.
I wonder what they're yelling at.
Play more. Come on, you get more views on YouTube. This is adorable and awesome. Why can't I climb on the goddamn walls like you did before? Doing spire poses and crap like that. I'm telling that bird staring at me. What the hell? I know these animals are always near shit, definitely. Take a break from those birds. Those are crazy. Ain't that right, little? Ain't that right, red-footed tortoise? Stop freaking. I came back. I came back to the cage and I just catch him doing this. I seen goddamn birds before, but this is ridiculous. Oh, he just looks at me. Okay, I seen birds, but this is just ridiculous. What type of pose is this? Okay, now you first. Oh wow. Do these birds fly? Do they just? I seen birds do weird poses or weird things, but this is the most weirdest pose I ever saw a bird ever did. It's what in the heck? How's it? Okay, now I'm telling. Okay. This was weird as I ever saw a bird do. How is just sitting there? Where's the red bird at? There you are, buddy. Just staring at me. I'm all in the way. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now because this is really freaky.